Hi students and colleagues. Working from home can be challenging, but also very inspiring. On-site events are not possible in these times, so we came up with online solution for study selection events, and I made that my Corona mission. So I made a plan for virtual experience days, which is fine-tuned together with colleagues. We organize the virtual experience days each month now, and other faculties do the same for their study programs. Maybe you want to know how it works. We have web pages and a live part via Zoom. And in the Zoom session, prospective students participate in a pre-discussion of problem-based learning in smaller groups. And they can all ask all their questions during a Q&A with staff, students, and study associations. A lot of questions are answered on the spot there. And already over 200 students participated in the event. We got a lot of positive feedback from them, and I'm also very proud of the collaboration with our team, but also with teaching staff, students, and colleagues from other faculties. If you want to know more, we share some links at the end of this video, and I hope to see you back in Maastricht soon. Have a nice day. Bye.